Is your toilet leaking where the water line meets the toilet? You most likely have an issue with your fill valve. Let me show you how to replace it. Turn off the water to the toilet by turning the wall valve clockwise. Flush the toilet to drain the water. Pull the cover from the tank and pull the flapper to drain even more water. Use a sponge or towel to soak up the excess water in the tank. Take your time with this one. Remove your refill tube from the overflow tube. Put a towel underneath your water tank. With your hands or a pair of pliers, remove the water supply connector from the bottom of the fill valve by twisting the connector to the left. Be careful, a lot of water is going to come out here. That's where the towels come in handy. Then use the pliers to remove the lock nut by twisting it to the left. You just need to loosen it, then you can do it by your hand. Now all you have to do is pull the fill valve up. It'll come off easy. This is the seal on the old fill valve. As you can see, it's pretty crusted and breaking apart. Line up your old fill valve and the new fill valve side by side. The top and bottom should be the same height. If they're not the same height, you can adjust it by twisting the fill valve from the bottom. If you twist it to the right, you'll make it shorter. If you twist it to the left, you'll make it taller. So make sure they're the same height. Put the fill valve in the toilet tank. Take out a measuring tape. The top of the overflow pipe should be 3 inches from the top of the fill valve cap. It doesn't have to be perfect. Take the refill tube and put it inside the old overfill tube if there already is a place for it, or put it inside the clip that came in the box. Attach the refill clip. You just need to spread the bottom a little bit to create an opening so they can clamp on. You'll notice the refill tube is pretty long, so we have to take it out and cut it. It's gonna be a little challenging taking this off, just so you know. So this looks about right. You want some slack, but you also don't want it too short. Just make an estimate. Cut it, and then again, put the refill tube inside the overflow tube, either with an existing clip or the one in the box. Install the lock nut on the bottom of the fill valve. Make sure it's on there tight because this is where the leak was coming from. Then attach the water supply connector to the fill valve. Again, just twist it to the right. Now turn on the water by turning it to the left counterclockwise. You'll see the water tank start filling up. Then just check where the lock nut is to make sure it didn't leak. When the tank stops filling, the water level should be about ½ inch from the top of the overflow tube. If it's not, you can twist this adjustment screw. If the water level is too low, twist it to the right. If the water level is too high, twist it to the left. And you should see this after flushing the tank. Add the cap back on your toilet tank and flush the toilet, just to double check.
And that's how you change the fill valve on the toilet to stop it from leaking. If you guys want some more videos, comment down below. Till next time, see ya.